Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to download Quotex app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store app. So once you open the Play Store app, you need to go and tap on the search bar and type in Quotex. Once you do so, you will find the Quotex app right over there. So simply hit the install button and it will start to get downloaded in your device. So once the downloading process comes to an end, it will now get starting to install in your device as well. So after this, you can open it from the Play Store itself, or you can go in your home screen to find the Quotex app and open it from there. So this is how you download the Quotex app simply on your Android device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.